Meaning of emperor penguin.
Emperor penguin.
Emperor penguin.
Emperor penguin.
Emperor penguin. The emperor penguin is a large species of penguin that is found in Antarctica. It is the tallest and heaviest of all penguin species, reaching up to 3.7 feet in height and weighing up to 88 pounds. The emperor penguin is known for its distinctive black and white plumage, as well as its ability to withstand some of the harshest conditions on Earth. These penguins mate for life and are known for their unique breeding cycle, which involves males incubating eggs during the harsh Antarctic winter while females go out to sea to feed.